Oh, hey! Welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how you can actually earn money with Python. Of course, your Python code wouldn't be that simple as my code here, but still, nevertheless, you can easily earn money with Python by selling your skills. So today we are looking at the opportunity to become a freelancer through the platform Freelancercom, which is one of the maybe top 3 platforms for becoming a freelancer. Okay, so first of all, I will just guide you through the process so you can see how you can register for Freelancer and yeah, start earning money yourself. So first, of course, you need to add your email and some password. You will have a username, and now you can select the account type. This is a first important branch. So first you can become a freelancer. This video is about you becoming a freelancer and selling your skill to professional employers. Actually, you are the employee and they are the employers. They are buying your skill because they need your service, for example, for their businesses. But actually, it's also an interesting page for small and medium-sized businesses who want to hire skills in a globally on a global scale. So actually, for example, my small company, Thinkster.com, relies on freelancers as well for some tasks. And for example, we regularly hire freelancers to create some puzzles, blog posts, and so on. So you can benefit from the globalization as well. But in this video, we are focusing on the work part. So you can opt in for email, select an account, some value-added tax, which is the sales tax. If you sell your skills, this might apply for you as well. But if you intend to use a freelancer account for personal use, then you should check this box. Okay, now we are signing up. You need to wait a little bit, and then you automatically get redirected to the main page. Okay, and now this is an interesting branch where you can decide what kind of skills you actually want to offer to the marketplace. This is about coding. Actually, in particular, it's about Python. Okay, so suppose this also applies to other programming languages like Java or so, but yeah, now in this video we want to focus on Python skills as an example. Okay, so you need to search for Python for the skills you can offer. You can also, of course, add other skills. For example, if you're a good writer, then you could check this box, but actually I wouldn't recommend this because you should narrow your focus. You should really focus on one skill and then master the skill. This is much more efficient in terms of your time, and you will earn much more over time if you focus on one skill and then really become a master at this skill. Maybe join the top 5% of all the people who offer the skills, and this will ensure in all of those areas, this will ensure that you also belong to the highest paid workers there. If you distribute your focus too much, for example, by selecting multiple skills, then you will learn maybe only at a pace of 50% of your energy. For example, if you have 2 skills, you will distribute your energy 50%, which means that you can only somebody who concentrates 100% on one skill, he will always be faster and more knowledgeable than you over time. So he will outpace you. That's why you should focus 100%, and this will guarantee that you will outpace everybody else who is not focusing 100%. Okay, so now we select only one skills, go to the next step, and then you can also select languages. In this case, it's better to have more languages, of course. You need to complete your profile, like adding a full name and yeah, giving your experience level. Even if you're a beginner, it's very attractive to become a Python freelancer because there are many kind of low level Python tasks who can be done, like web scraping and writing small scripts, maybe less than 100 lines and so. And it's an excellent way of becoming a paid freelancer and improving your skills. maybe in many cases you will already have some experience if you are a Python freelancer, so the intermediate skill level will apply to you most likely. Also, some of you may be advanced already, which means you have been working for these skills for more than 5 years and you are an expert in them. Okay, so in my case it would be advanced, but in your case maybe intermediate. Okay, so let's go to the next step in the process. Now you need to verify some payment methods. Now say verify PayPal a bit, log into PayPal. Okay, so I won't do this here. Skip for now. And we also don't want to have this this membership. Okay, and now congratulations, you are already a freelancer. Actually, you have a freelancer profile, and here on the right you can see how much you have actually earned already, and you can check your projects, your messages, your updates, and yeah, it's now you basically can start applying for some jobs. And now the good thing is our recommended, so Freelancer.com will recommend us some jobs, and of course the jobs will fit our skills, the recommended jobs. And now you can see, okay, we have 488 recommended Python jobs, and now you can actually browse them. And if you, for example, if you feel that these jobs fit to your skill level, you can just add a bid to this job, basically. Yeah. So you can first. I would have to verify my email, so they send me an email, and then I can update the profile, and only then I can bid for some projects. Okay, so this is the first thing I wanted to show you. So now you can already browse jobs and start earning money. My recommended strategy is that you start with small projects and finish a lot of small projects and over deliver, which means that you kind of you don't have to compromise on price, so you can still earn solid money. Don't sell yourself too cheap, but you should over deliver the jobs. Actually, you should deliver faster and maybe even more as requested, so that people will give you positive ratings, because on these platforms ratings are everything. Basically, clients, they check the ratings of the freelancer, and they usually take the freelancers with the best ratings for the job, even if they charge a bit more for the job. Okay, so this is the first thing I want to show you. And the second thing, because many people in my community are actually, they are not very confident becoming a freelancer and start selling their skills. So the thing I recommend them is to spend 70% of their learning time, of the Python learning time, into kind of toy projects, but I mean, they should be practical as well. And okay, so now going back to what kind of, so then the next question would be, what are toy projects? And actually, toy projects are projects where that will give you more confidence if you solve them. So they will improve your skill level, they will improve your confidence, and they will over time make you a better Python coder. And the nice thing on the Freelancer web page is that you can basically browse all the previous Python projects that were ever published on the Freelancer page. Also other projects, but also Python projects. And here you can see this is the archived Freelancer site. If you click on Python, then you see that from the year 2000 onward to the year 2009, so we have 20 years of Python freelancing projects. So these are as practical as they can get, because people paid money to solve these projects. So now let's browse a few projects in 2019, for example, in the week 15. Now we have hundreds of projects here. Yeah, for every week of the year we have hundreds and if not thousands of projects, and you can simply just take one project, Python mail something, mail data parsing, which looks interesting. It's a $30 project, 10 to 20 pound project. So it's really, I mean, the project is really simple. It's really small. You can solve it. You can focus on this project until you mastered it. And it's just for your training. You can use the project budget as a proxy for difficulty level. Start with low difficulty level projects and then improve during your learning time. And at the same time, so this will over time improve your confidence and will increase your skill level, which means that you can sell your skills at a higher and higher rate. But it's kind of it's a smooth transition from not being a freelancer to becoming a freelancer. Okay, so these are my tips. Start creating your freelancer profile now. Spend a few hours every day solving real freelancer projects, but then also going to the archive and solving kind of these toy projects, old archived freelancer projects to improve your skills over time. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I have also given you a link to my free webinar where I show you in detail how to become a highly paid Python freelancer. So it's very specific to this area of expertise, becoming a Python freelancer or even coding freelancer, but in the programming language Python. So this webinar is very popular and it gives you a detailed 40 minutes introduction into this whole landscape of freelancing in Python. So if you think about becoming a Python freelancer, you should not miss this, because I spent a lot of time compiling all the statistics and everything about the state of the art in Python freelancing. So definitely check out the webinar. It's completely free. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.